This is from Michaeltechroom channel. So today, this vlog is. I have a vlog in a couple weeks, so I want to do a quick vlog for you people. So give you a. I'm not quite sure how you would say, but I'm not quite sure if this update is gonna go quick or not. So. I'm not quite sure about that yet, so so let's get on with the things. So let's talk about why I haven't vlogged in a couple days. And the reason why I haven't vlogged in a couple days is there's not a lot interesting things to vlog. What I do is get home, watch YouTube, and that's what I do when I get home. I might do a couple random things, but those usually things will pop up every once in a while. So those things does. So excuse so a lot. I'm trying to get used to talking to my GoPro, so that's bell. So like I said, excuse that. So that's why I haven't been vlogging for a couple days, is because of there not been a lot of interesting things too, so that's why. So the quick update I can give you, one of the surprising update is, this is going to be a first time, but I have graduated. So I've graduated from my school, so I don't have my real diploma yet. What I'm going through is going through a transition program in my school, so I'm going through that. So for a while, they hold my diploma for a while. So I haven't, but I have walked and graduated. So that was a exciting event. To be graduated. So now I'm out of school, and throughout, I'm not quite sure how long since I stopped vlogging, but after that graduation, after a couple days off, I've been watching YouTube and Photoshop stuff and other stuff like this too. So yeah, I got graduated, and right now I'm just doing my normal stuff. I just got finished up watching YouTube video right now. So right now I'm looking at is the PC port list. So what I'm gonna say is we are getting close to the computer, my custom build. We are getting really close. Right now, currently, we are in the $700 mark range, so we are into that, but we need to go, I need to go to the $800 range. So we are getting close, but the problem that would slow me down a bit is I gotta leave 200 at my house, then I gotta leave 200 in my bank account, or make sure I don't overspend the 200 to leave a cushion, basically. So that guy slowed me down, so I need to offset that. So if the I'm pretty sure we are back to $500 mark, because we have to offset that again. But for my surprising thing, we are getting very close to the computer build off. We are getting very, very close. Don't forget, people, you can support my project too. So if you want to go on Amazon wishlist, help me out with a little bit of component, you're welcome to help out a little bit of the component too, if you want to help out. So if you want to, go ahead. If you don't want to, okay. So don't forget, there's many ways to support the channel too. They're not one way, but there's many ways. Just recently too, if you visit my channel a lot, if you notice something like on my channel banner, if you notice like a PayPal, don't use that PayPal just yet. I haven't had that PayPal account connected to something. I haven't had connected to my account, or anything is not connected to. So I'm not quite sure how PayPal works. I'm not quite sure if someone donates money on my PayPal, it goes through or not. So be warned if it's somehow not working, because for every reason, then the reason why is I haven't connected to my account just yet. So if you've seen that PayPal account, that's why it's set up. I shouldn't say that. But I set that up. But it's not fully up yet, so I'm not quite sure if it let you or not. So I kinda somewhat new to PayPal, so I have set it up without no credit card just yet. So yeah, but we are getting really close. Reaching the $700 mark is amazing for me, because I do lawn business. I usually get 15, but lately I've been getting 20 for mowing lawn lately. So that's been helping out a bit. So we are truly in the $700 mark. If we combine the $200 with the money, then we at 900. But I gotta leave a cushion at my house. I gotta leave a little bit of cash at my house. And I gotta leave a little bit of cash in the bank account too. So I need to. That guy slow me down even more, but pretty soon. Well, I would say I'm pretty sure soon, around in summer, we should be reaching the $800 mark. So we should able, if we through summer too. So of course, if I went to a couple side job to couple job with my parents, then we could make money. So, so we are getting really close. I am very antsy about getting off that laptop too. It's I do want to get off this laptop, just because there's not a lot of expansion room for that laptop. It's not. So it might have expansion room for, like I said, for more hard drive and other stuff too, and even have enough processor power to do video work, AutoCAD work, Photoshop stuff too, and so many applications that maybe soon later down the road line I might get into, you know. And it's nice to have a little bit of extra power just in case you get into AutoCAD or any of those stuff. If you're one of those people who like to tinker around with programs such as AutoCAD, Photoshop, and other stuff too, so it would be nice. The things that I enjoy a lot is to play around with stuff a lot and messing around, not mess up, but messing around with stuff, trying new things like the multi-channel output that you're seeing on Dell, which that Dell Slimline computer does have the multi-channel output, which is pretty cool for me. So I'm really antsy to get off. I mean, yeah, I am antsy to get off this laptop and jump onto a computer that you can throw more hard drive and all that stuff that you can play around with a desktop computer. So, yeah, the laptop, it's not bad. It's not really bad, but it does fine. It does fine on the internet. The video editing does tend to get a little because the 1080p video, if you did without using on YouTube the plain the 1080p video file that you made, it does max out the CPU. So it does. Excuse that. It does. But it does push it a whole lot. And I figured out what is going on Chrome. Currently, I have switched to Firefox. Just because if you've seen other vlog, if you've seen vlog video of how the video been lagging on Chrome, I'm pretty sure you would know that, but if you're not familiar with why I'm switching to Firefox, is lately I've been having issue of playing 1080p YouTube video on Google Chrome. So I've been having issue. It did take me a long time to figure that out. But lately Chrome hasn't been performing nicely. It haven't. So it's when you play 1080p video on Chrome, it does max out your CPU, and when it max out the CPU, depending on how hard Chrome is pushing it, it can push enough to make your computer freeze. Or I should say laggy. It can make it laggy a lot. Well, if you try and move your cursor, it make it laggy. So that's the reason why I switched to Firefox. Is I can play on Chrome. I can play 1080p video. Now on Firefox, now I can play 1080p video without maxing out the CPU, which oddly enough, which I don't get why on Chrome, why is that issue? Why there was an issue playing 1080p video. So I'm really puzzled of why Chrome there's an issue. So and another thing too with Chrome is it does make your CPU idle high too, which I'm not a type person who doesn't like to let my computer idle high. And the reason why it's idling high is app. And when you have app on Chrome, I guess it makes your laptop idle too high. And I'm really not happy how lately Chrome been behaving. I'm really not happy. I thought I got hacked. No, it was stupid Chrome. So I'm really just not happy how it went. Other thing too is if I'm installing Chrome, I'm pretty sure I am not gonna install too many app too. What's in my experience, when you have a lot of Chrome apps running in the background, I guess it make your CPU idle too high. So I'm not too pleased with it. Firefox, I'm really happy how that is performing real well. I hope I'm saying real well. That's an excuse, I'm not saying real. So Firefox is performing beautifully. My CPU is not idling too high before, which I got to clean up Chrome a bit to get rid of app that I'm not using. And the funny enough is half of those apps are Google stuff. Tell me that. Why that's happening. Yeah. So that is a quick update. Well, I'm not quite sure if it was a quick update or not, but whatever it is, at least you got an update of what is going on. So, excuse the cell again. Gotta quit saying that. So, there we go, I'm saying it again. Yeah, that is a quick semi-update of what is going on, and an update of how the PC money saving that's going well. Don't forget, if you want to donate a little bit of money to help me out to get over the $900. I can set you up with something where you can send cash to me. Don't forget, there's many ways to help me out with projects, so if you want to, go ahead. It's always before. There's bottom of the video, there's links to my social website. Not mine, but social. There is a link to it, so you can send me a message. Don't forget, please, too, if you hang on tight, sometime of this summer, I will sub a channel email not pretty soon, but in a random time. I'm not quite sure. So, in a random time, we are going to be building the PC soon. Not soon, but the channel email will be up too, so. And I'm not quite sure when I will get to it too, so. Alright, everybody, that is a quick update for you people. I hope you somewhat gonna go along fine. There's not gonna be a lot of vlog because it gonna be boring unless there's something. So, alright. So, yeah.